We all know why you're here. Tickets for both Brooklyn Terry workshops are now released! Click the link and grab yours right now. Remember, the last one sold out in just 60 minutes. And my advice is to go for both workshops and the benefit of the special offer. I always train with as many pioneers as I can, and it's always taught me something valuable, and has definitely been one of the keys to the success that we've been fortunate enough to enjoy at Urban Strides. So I'll be there because even though I've done hundreds of hours with pioneers, they always have something new to share. And I know Terry is really excited about the new concepts he'll be bringing to you all. If you've never seen Terry get down, here is one of his many dope solos. The dude is immense, and one of the things I love about Terry is his sense of humour. He's super passionate about his art, but he always wants to lighten the mood with laughter, and I think that is why we've been friends for almost 20 years. Here he is with a special message for you.
Hey everybody, what's up? It's me, Brooklyn Terry. Pretty sure you know that by now. I don't know if you heard, but I'm coming back to Urban Strides next month. Yeah, I'm coming back in February. After 2 long years, I'm coming back. I will be teaching you guys all the new stuff that I learned because, you know, as a teacher, I'm constantly learning new exercises, new techniques, new ideas. We will be going over all of that stuff. You know, and I think it's really important to, even if I was just teaching the basics, just to come back and refresh, especially after this time, you know, after all of this time not really able to be together and dance together in the space. I think it's really, really a good idea just to come back and refresh. But it's gonna be refresh and it's gonna be super fresh. I cannot wait. See you guys next month in February. Urban Strides. Yours truly, Brooklyn Terry, will be there. Peace.
Remember, places are limited due to the size of the studio. And last time, all the places that were available went in just 60 minutes. So click on the link and grab your places while you can. I cannot wait to see you there.